What made you think of a vlog? Like, why did you want to start vlogging?
Reason number one, I am having to figure out how to live as a very different version of myself than I used to be. And it has taken me through the darkest places. Physically, there's still a lot wrong. People don't know what's wrong with me. But my point being, I'm trying to figure out how to live right now the way things are. And just fucking accept that I'm not who I used to be.
Okay, this is a vlog following Krista Shirley. I am not Krista Shirley. My name's Stuart, and I'm Krista's friend. She's my yoga teacher, and I'm helping her with her new vlog. I'm not sure what this vlog's gonna be like yet, but it's gonna be interesting because Krista lives kind of a really interesting life. She travels all over the world, teaching yoga, doing a bunch of other things, and I can't mess this up. This is an impossible vlog to mess up. Today, Krista and I are just figuring out what this vlog is, and the first thing we did was yoga. You know what's really cool? We started off the vlog doing yoga.
Oh,
the very first thing we ever shot for the vlog was practicing yoga.
That's actually true, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I guess
that's pretty cool. It's a good start.
It is a good start.
Yeah.
I had a really nice practice. I'm just walking in circles in this parking lot right now, and I'm sure somebody up there or up there thinks I'm a crazy person. Krista is inside that building doing her physical therapy. She's had a number of surgeries working on her left shoulder. Because I want to figure out what's going to be most effective to help me stay functional with, strengthen what's there.
Yeah.
Try to slow down the imbalance that's happening with my spine, that kind of thing.
Yeah. I know that's what the case.
And here I feel fine. It just my scapula, the top part of my scapula
the
bothers
other way.
me. It hurts a little bit when I was popping in the grinding.
Yeah.
But now it's the scapula that's starting to be like
shoot around a little.
I'm like, when it comes down, it's like there's no
control. A little thumbs up like that. Good. Give me forward pressure.
That's gotten so much harder.
And then just give me a little handshake. Squeeze. It is not easy. It gets outside of what I don't know this stuff. I'm trying to help, but I don't know. I'll be honest with you. So I think that's where, I will tell you this. Now this might be an option.
How long ago did you hurt your shoulder?
I had the surgery that gave me an infection in April of 2019. I've been walking and standing on my hands for a long time and adjusting and stuff. I don't know. My shoulders just always had bad shoulders. 2017, I hurt this one after Hurricane Irma. Really badly when I was in my yard. I lost my trees and fencing and shit. And then I finally decided to do surgery because we knew that there was a tear. And April of 2019 did the surgery. I had a successful right shoulder surgery, but this shoulder surgery went totally wrong.
Oh.
I didn't know it at the time, but it gave me an infection. And I was having this pain like all up and down my scapula, my traps, my rhomboids. A year later, I have no nerves in my shoulder, and I now also have no trap. So.
Great. What's next then? Just living with it?
Depends on who you ask.
I don't know, what is this thing?
I don't even know what it's called. But I have one.
It doesn't look real.
It really doesn't.
It doesn't feel real.
Isn't that so cool?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Hi, bud.
Hey, Sam.
Hi, bud. You're ready to play. You're like, Mommy's home, it's time to play. It's time to play. Lucy, do you want to take a walk with us? Gotta start somewhere, Lucy. Gotta
gotta start somewhere. Come on.
What's he doing?
What made you think of a vlog? Like, why did you want to start vlogging?
Well, I mean, I've been thinking about doing this for a really, really long time. I've always put some little videos on YouTube, but reason number one, I am having to figure out how to live as a very different version of myself than I used to be. And it has taken me through the darkest places. Physically, there's still a lot wrong. People don't know what's wrong with me. But my point being, I'm trying to figure out how to live right now the way things are. I just fucking accept that I'm not who I used to be. And I feel like it's not for nothing. So I'm hoping that there might be a person or two that this can inspire to help them get through their whatever journey they're going through. So that's the number one reason for other people that I wanted to do a vlog. But ultimately, I'm at a point now where I don't believe that any kind of Western medicine can do anything to help me much. And every surgery has made me worse. I feel at this point in time, the only thing that could heal me is a miracle or a manifestation of a miracle. And so I've got kind of this 2-year project that I'm gonna try to meditate and manifest some miraculous healing. And I figure that even if that doesn't happen, I'm gonna be a happier, healthier person on that journey, and you guys get to come along with it.
So at this point, we're on our way to Home Depot to get some materials to build a workout station for Krista. It's gonna be similar to one that she uses at the physical therapy office. For resistance training. Yeah, you get it.
Let us know if we can help with anything else there.
Actually, I would love your help.
Okay, looking for
A big metal, like for handicapped people, for like a, you know what I'm talking about?
Okay, yeah.
He is the magic Home Depot man today. Perfect.
We got fancy ones and we got basic ones. So
I just need a basic one, yeah, like something like that.
yeah,
Like this one?
Yeah.
so that's a 1x6.
Yeah, that's probably about, that's right. That'll probably do it. Sweet.
All right, so now we need the screws.
Where are we going? What screws? Okay, we're down here. Hardware, maybe?
Customer needs assistance in self-checkout.
They put so much of that oat milk, yeah. We didn't have time to put the actual workstation together, but here's a basic idea of what we're doing. And honestly, I was probably just being kind of lazy and didn't want to drill holes into Krista's wall.
And then this is what we're getting.
Yeah.